Hey everybody, how are you? I am so excited. Today is Monday, August 27th, and today is the 4th day of my birthday countdown giveaway. Wow, say that 5 times fast. All right, so I have to say it. You have to be a subscriber. You have to be 18 or older. You have to be a resident of the United States. And you have to leave me a comment below. You have to hit that thumbs up button. Okay, with that being said, I'm just gonna show you the last couple of days. I gotta do it every day. Okay, so this is day 1. Go see this video. This is a giveaway. Look at that. Okay, so this is giveaway number 1. This is giveaway number 2. These are the stamps from Dollar Tree. All right. Then this is giveaway number 3. Look at that. There's 2. I actually put them backwards. Okay, this is giveaway number 3. And today's giveaway is this beautiful TN. I feel like I don't have enough light right here. Okay, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous TN. All right, this is the LOL paper. I added some embellishment, life goals, cherish the moment. There's a little pocketbook and some gems. All right, how cute. I actually did the, oh my gosh, brads, right? All right, now to look inside. Love the way this came out. Love it. Okay, so inside, let me get rid of this. We all know it's my birthday celebration. And I'm giving gifts out. Okay, so this is that Target spot sticker. And I did 2 cutouts. Loving it. Loving it. Then I put this gorgeous, gorgeous shaker in there. Ah, look at that. Look at that gorgeous shaker. Look at that bling. Okay. Then, this here is just white paper. Okay? Journaling, drawing, whatever you'd like. This is the back of the shaker. And I stuck this really beautiful girl in there. And on the other side of that girl is some tags. Loving that. Okay, this is a dashboard, so you know where you're at. Then, this beautiful girl is got lined paper in hers. Then I made these 2 beautiful, I don't know, what are they? Paper clips, like, you know, and they match. Look how cute they match. Pink and blue. Gotta go with the pink and blue theme. So I added those onto, and look, I made them opposite. I made those on my Cricut. Love that. Love that, love that, love that. Then this is a folder that I laminated with some cut-aparts in it. Love that. Then this is a 2019 date book. And that is your fabulous TN. But I don't know, I think something's missing. Day 4. Day 4, my birthday's on the 4th. Day 4, September 4th is my birthday. I think I should add something to this. What do you think? Yeah, I guess I'll add something to this. What I'll add is that! I made a backpack for it. Isn't this gorgeous? I made it look denim. I wanted it to look distressed denim, so I used Night of Navy Stampin' Up to distress it. I wanted it to give it that I don't know, that vintage dungaree feel. And this is the paper from LOL. I added a little Donna powered by creativity, right? And then on the pockets, I put the pretty girls. And these had magnets. Then on this pocket, I thought this was really cute. I did this on my Cricut Girl Power, but look, she's still there. Isn't that neat? Love it. And on this side is the other pretty girl. I'm absolutely loving this. And then I made some dangles. And the dangles are it's almost like a pocketbook tag. Actually, this tag reminds me of Ugg boots, right? Does it remind anybody else of Ugg boots? So, look at that. So I did a tag, a little cute little scallop, and a heart. Aren't these adorable? Let me bring that back around. And sorry, just messing with them. Look at how stinking cute this is. And then you can open this up, and this beautiful TN goes on the inside. I'll probably have to take those off. I'll take them off and I'll put them inside of it. And there you have it. Tell me that's not adorable. Look at how beautiful. Girls, this project, I did the TN last night, simple and easy. And then today, with lots of interruptions. And when I say lots, I swear I'm not exaggerating. It is now 7:10 p.m. on Monday. Cooked dinner. I did 2 loads of laundry. I did things around the garden. Trying to think what else I did. Vacuumed. Made some phone calls. Cleaned up. Dishwasher's going. And I got to make this today. And as soon as this video is starting to upload, I will go inside and sit down for the night with Johnny D. So, happy birthday to me, but to you. So everybody keep watching, because I promise I have something else going on for tomorrow. Watch every day. Go back to the other videos and comment. In fact, one of the videos, I think it's the SAMP video, I'm looking for video reviews. So if you could do me that solid, that would be amazing. All right, everybody, have a great day and follow me on Instagram. All right, Donna powered by creativity. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.